In cvfolio, regularly we start our portfolio design process with color balancing our documents in Photoshop, and then we bring them to Illustrator. So these two softwares are our main softwares. Then the second step is to adjust the position of our document in the page that we are working on, and then we go for color adjustments, and we try to match this document's color with the previous documents that we already had brought to our files. So usually we use opacity, and we normally reduce slightly the number of the opacity, and we try to make it look like the other documents that we have in the portfolio. And after that, we try to find a good position for our document in the page, and then we bring other documents so that we can decide what document should be where in our project, and then again we adjust the positions. So you will see a lot of changing in the position of our documents, even changing the document itself to find a nice and eye-catching look for our page. So as you can see here, I'm changing the dimension of my document, which is my plan, and I'm trying to fit my objects in my page. One of the things that is really important in the portfolio design is the alignment of the width and the length. So as you can see, the top part of my text is going to be aligned with the top part of the render. So it's really important, and you have to provide a border for your objects in your page. So you can see that the left part of the page has a margin, and we again try to move the objects around so that we find a nice position for them. After the alignment, I bring other plans, and I try to adjust the position of them, and I try to align them with the previous plan that I already had brought to the project. And I'm cropping the extra parts of each document because we don't want to have a lot of space in our page, so we don't want it to take up too much space on our page. Here I am going to copy some template text to just check how it looks when they come below each other. But maybe in the process of design I realized that these are not good documents, or these are not the best position for the documents. So I changed the situation, or I changed the documents to make it look better. We always have a nice proportion for our page. We just have to find it, and it is based on the plans and elevations and sections that we are bringing to our Illustrator. So each page is designed by the base files that we are importing to our file. After finding the right position for our documents, we go for graphic design. For example, when you write a plan's name, for example, ground floor plan, you need to make it look really fantastic, not just a text there. Because a text in portfolio is not just for a description, it's not just as a text, it's a graphic element. So you have to make it look better. And in this file, you can see that I am trying to find its place on the page. And then I go and bring a back color for the text. So for example, here gray is a good choice, and I brought it behind the text that I have there, and it really makes it visually appealing. And here I just thought that maybe another document will be needed to fill the space, and the document should be related to the other plans. So I brought another one, and after placing this on the page, I have to write a text for it. And at the end, I correct my description for my render, and when the text is done, this page would be done. That's it, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. This was a process of how to create just one page in Portfolio. Each page has its own quality design.